I just want to show you guys the box before I take everything out. The attention to the level of detail is beyond my understanding of how well they did this thing. Look at this. They did a little animation, little picture on the whole scenario about the vacuum. I mean, no company does this overkill on this stuff, you know, but that tells you how well this system is built. So let's go ahead and open it up. What I like to do is set these up without even going instructions to see how easy it is. Easy to set up, but you're gonna open this part right here, all right? And this is where the battery goes. And that's what this thing goes for, all right? Just make sure you do it properly in. Yep, I just turned it on, turned it off. So we're gonna go ahead and set up the pole. I did have to cheat a little bit because I didn't understand this part, but now I do. Now this attachment, you could attach a water hose in here. All right, this part is only for stick pump mode, so everything debris could come out directly wherever you direct the actual hose line that you connect to here. So very simple to add. And of course, I forgot to mention that they do have another different traction, another different. It's a swivel one that you can move. It's a see-through too, and then interchangeable. We're going to use this one instead, and then we don't want to get too long. I don't have a long pull, so we're just going to attach to two attachments, and we're just going to go ahead and turn it on. Turn on the button. 1, 2, 3. Start turning on, and then we're submerge it, and that's it. Look at that. That's simple. I'm going to bring it out so you guys can see the pressure on it. Look at that water pressure. Look at that. It's crazy. So if you want to use your water hose to send it out, water out, you can even drain out water through using this too. It's a great option to have. And right now we're just going to run it to some lines here. See if I can capture some stuff.